And good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you might be in the world. My name is Ross Lair. I'm the CEO of WAND Incorporated. Today we're going to talk about taxonomies and metadata models for AI, for advanced artificial intelligence. We start all of our presentations with this one slide. And people ask, what's the hard ROI? What's the soft ROI of all this stuff? Information management, artificial intelligence, all these crazy things. Now we start off with this one quote from Lou Platt, the former CEO of HP. And what Lou said, if only HP knew what HP knows, we would be 3 times more productive. And what was Lou saying? Lou was saying we've got a tremendous amount of knowledge. In our data, we've got a tremendous amount of knowledge in our documents. But if we can't find our data, if we can't find our documents, that knowledge is fast asleep. So what Lou wanted to do, Lou wanted to surface all of that knowledge, okay? Make it accessible to all of the folks within HP. So they could find it, they could use it, they could build upon it. They wouldn't have to recreate it. And not sure if your company is going to be 1 time more productive, 2, 3, 4, depends upon how you implement. But certainly productivity, okay, the sharing of knowledge that exists within an organization is a very, very, very positive thing. A little bit of background on WAND. WAND has been building taxonomies since 1983. Began to build taxonomies a long time ago. We had large insurance companies here in the United States that we provided software programs to that require taxonomy. So we've been doing this an awful long time. Our curated taxonomy libraries, our metadata models, our knowledge models address virtually all major business domains of knowledge. About 6 months ago, and it's kind of interesting, okay, serendipitous, but about 6 months ago, we licensed one of our banking taxonomies to a client that was using it with a knowledge graph engine and an AI engine. And we got this testimonial back. Of course, we're a great company, wonderful people. But this is the key point, requiring only 2 clicks to import the banking taxonomy into our workflow and only a few days to incorporate into our product architecture, seeing immediate results. And what the testimonial, which was from the knowledge engineer from the knowledge graph company, what he was saying is we got very, very, very good results after a few days. Normally, okay, without a foundation metadata model, without the foundation banking taxonomy in this case, it would have taken 4, 6, 8 weeks, okay, to work with the AI engine to generate topics, terms, phrases, and then assemble them in some sort of a metadata model. So having the foundation metadata model saved a tremendous amount of time and produced very, very fast results. Accelerating AI, the semantic bootstrap, saves time, weeks, months, informs the AI engines with a curated knowledge model, accelerates the subject matter experts' customization work, velocity to value for the customer. I love reading slides, but let's go to this one point, inform AI engines with a curated knowledge model. What does that mean? Informing an AI engine. And I use an analogy. And that analogy is we inform the human brain with knowledge models. I have a 9-month-old granddaughter, and her parents are going to teach her knowledge models. They're going to teach her knowledge models about shapes, about colors, numbers, letters, on and on and on. And she's going to go to school. She's going to learn knowledge models about history, about geography, about mathematics. And through her life, more and more knowledge models are going to fill her brains. And I'm going to challenge, okay, each and every one of you that are watching this, think about the knowledge models, okay, that are resonant within your human brain. After all of your education, all of your experience, all of your training, incredible, okay, what the human brain can accommodate in terms of knowledge. And what we call that is human intelligence. Now, the AI engine, on the other hand, is empty. And the AI engine has no knowledge models to begin with. And what WAND does, We provide foundation metadata models to inform the AI engine with a curated metadata model relevant to the topics of documents that are being analyzed by the AI engine. So if we have environmental documents, WAND provides environmental metadata models to inform the AI engine of what terms are important, what terms and the structure of those terms. And then the AI engine does its work, and the AI engine comes up with some other terms that it thinks are important. And then we have a subject matter expert that analyzes those terms and adds them into the structure, okay, where applicable, throws away the terms that the AI engine made mistakes on. But very, very quickly, okay, immediate results within days. We've got very, very high quality results. We like to be able to say to our clients, we have taxonomies that are extensible to all of the knowledge domains within your organization. And the AI application that we partner with, okay, that AI application is extensible to all the knowledge domains within your organization, your operational activities and your business activities. Operational activities, accounting, customer service, environment, sales and marketing, procurement, workplace health and safety, legal. WAND provides taxonomies, foundation metadata models for all of these topics, as well as foundation metadata models for the various industries that you might be in. About 33 different industries. You can find yours here. Representative testimonials, again, saving a huge amount of time, jump-started our document management process. Customization, we only needed to add 50 terms, less than 5% of the total. Saved us a lot of time in our deployment. People are experts at what they do, not experts in taxonomy building. Editing the pre-built taxonomies provides an easy contextual reference. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a look at the WAND Taxonomy Library portal. This is how we deliver the taxonomies. It provides access to all of the WAND taxonomies. Our clients can browse, download the taxonomies they need, load ready for the application they're going to be importing them into. We provide regular updates and release new taxonomies on an ongoing basis. So let's take a look. WAND Taxonomy Library portal, each one of our clients gets a username and a passcode. And this particular user, Ross Lair, is a good customer. And on his home page, these are the latest releases of taxonomies. These are the latest deliveries that I've asked recently. And these are the latest updates, okay? We're constantly updating our taxonomies. So what we're able to do is go to the Taxonomy Library, browse the various taxonomy titles. Now, because there's so many of them, we've grouped them into industry verticals. And aerospace engineering, you can find your vertical here. And what we're able to do is to click into any one of the taxonomy verticals, and we'll use financial as an example. These are the taxonomies that will address all of the domains of information for a financial institution. Banking, finance, and investment. A lot of banks have retail storefronts. Banks have real estate, different insurances, management, sales and marketing, HR, customer service, legal, accounting, intellectual property, IT, procurement, environment, project management, workplace health and safety. Now, what we're able to do is to click into any one of the taxonomy titles. These are the top level terms and the numbers of terms below them. Banking documents, customer documents, internal banking documents, banking internal processes, audits, litigation management, risk management processes. So we're able to explore risk mitigation, risk identification, credit risk, interest rate risk, operational risk. So what we're able to do is to explore the various taxonomy trees, then create a delivery. And we can create a full delivery of the entire taxonomy, or maybe I just want banking documents. Selected branch. Then the system asks, what application do we want it formatted for? And we're going to say it's for the SharePoint Modern Term Store. That's what we need. We click on Create Delivery. And what's taking place now, that taxonomy is being formatted for the new modern SharePoint Term Store. It takes a minute, 2 minutes for the formatting to take place. We can then go to our delivery page, a little bit faster than I promised. And the banking for modern banking documents for modern SharePoint Term Store has been prepared. I click on it, downloads directly to my desktop. There it is, and then I can import it into my SharePoint implementation. So it's a very simple model, vast library of taxonomies. Our clients can browse, download what they need, formatted for direct import into whatever the AI application is, and use them, as foundation metadata models. Look forward to hearing from you. You can contact us at WAND Incorporated, www.wandinc.com. My name's Ross Lair, my phone number here, and my email address. We look forward to hearing from you, and I want to thank you very much for taking time today. Bye-bye now.